Are you a morning person or night owl?
I am decidedly a morning person. I find that my analytical brain functions much more effectively in the early hours before the digital noise of the world ramps up.
What's your ideal morning routine?
My ideal routine involves early rising, a brief workout, and a focused study session. Starting the day with a small win, like learning a new German phrase, sets a positive tone for everything else.
How do you wake yourself up?
I use a gradual light alarm that simulates a sunrise. It's a much more natural way to wake up than a jarring audio alert, and it helps regulate my circadian rhythm.
Do you eat the same breakfast every day?
I do, primarily to eliminate decision fatigue. Having a standardized, nutritious breakfast ensures I'm fueled for work without having to waste mental energy on meal planning.